This video takes a look at the 2016 Ordinary Level Junior Cert Woodwork Section A. In question 1, you're asked to identify the screw type shown. So if you look at the diagram, it has it's countersunk and it's also got a dome top on it. So that's a raised head screw. In question 2, the tool shown in diagram A is a tri-square and it's used to mark out lines at 90 degrees to the wood. The tool shown at B is a bevel edge chisel. There's 3 types of chisel. That one there is a bevel edge chisel. And the bevel edge chisel would be used to remove wood from a trench. Question 3, the diagram shows a piece of wood. Mark the face side and face edge in the correct positions. So there, I did them in pen to make them clearly visible. Question 4, name the fitting shown to explain what it would be used for. So that hinge is called a decorative butt hinge. Sometimes it's called a butterfly hinge. It's used on the lid of jewellery boxes and other small items. The diagram shows the leaves from 2 common Irish trees. So the one on the left is ash and the one on the right is horse chestnut. Make sure you pick from the list given. The power tool shown on the right in question 6 is a jigsaw. 2 safety precautions that should be observed when using portable electrical tools is make sure you wear goggles when using the tools and unplug when changing the bit or the blade of a particular power tool. In question 8, the function of part A is to rise or lower the plane blade. In question 9, the lighter shaped or the lighter coloured wood on the outer area of the log is called the sapwood. I just labelled in the darker area is called the heartwood in the centre. There's a list of tools in question 10. You're asked to say whether they're general tools or lathe tools. So a firmer chisel is a general tool, a rough and gouge is a lathe tool, a bevel edge chisel is a general tool, a parting tool is a lathe tool, and a mortise chisel is a general tool. The joint shown in question 11 is a mortise and tenon. This is the mortise part of the joint and this is the tenon part of the joint. In question 12, what does the term timber conversion mean? So it's where you saw a log into planks or boards to be used in construction or woodwork. Question 13, there are 2 items shown from a lathe. There's a list in the centre. The one on the left is a live centre. The one on the right is a tool rest. Make sure you pick one from the list given. Question 14, give 2 functions of the roots of the tree. So the roots of the tree, they absorb water and minerals from the soil, and function 2 is they anchor the tree in the ground. So if there's wind or if there's a storm, the tree, if it has a good root system, is less likely to get tossed in a storm. The diagram in question 15 shows a handbag that has been made from wood. List 1 property of wood that makes it suitable. So you could say that it's durable or it's attractive looking, grain pattern. So durable means that it will last, it'll wear. In question 16, the diagram shows an electric strip heater from the metalwork room. Give 1 specific use for the heater. So it's used to heat plastic in a line for bending. Question 17, complete the marking out of the waste on the finger joint shown in the diagram. The original diagram is very dark, so it's difficult to see, but on this area here there's 3 sections of marking out, and down here on this one there's 4 for the finger joint. Question 18, what type of liquid is normally used to clean brushes after applying an oil-based varnish? So it would be white spirits or thinners, those two examples there. The bit shown on question 19 is used in which electrical power tool? That's a router bit and it's used in the router. Give 1 reason why wooden projects are often modelled on computer before being made. One reason could be To visualise the finished project, see what it looks like before you make it. And that completes the 2016 Ordinary Level.